Hello, hello everyone. My name is Jeff. Today, I am awesomegirl202590, and we're playing some zombie rush today. Yep, and we're gonna try and get to level. Hannah, what round should we get to? She said 6. We're at 5 right now. And I want to get to level 150, and she's at 47. Yeah. This gun is very, very, very slow. Like, it's very, 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 very slow. So slow. Let me turn up the volume, please. No one needs to hear it. Wait. Very, very, very low. I want to get level 150 really bad, so I can get this the blue steel sword. I think the blue steel sword. Oh, I can't even hit him on the ground. Yeah. Need some help there? Need help up there, champ? Need some help? Alright, she doesn't need any help. Alright, I just need some zombies. Oh, you're at 50. I wish I was at 150. Oh my god, this gun sucks really bad. Alright, let me go with my primary. Let me go down. I'm gonna use my shotgun, because shotguns are good. 147. I'm so close to getting the blue steel. Alright guys, we're on wave 6, and our goal is to get to wave 20. Wave 20. Yep, that's our goal today. Oh! Alright Hannah, follow me. We're gonna go upstairs. There's gonna be so much zombies upstairs, you're gonna be really scared. Look, see? Alright, follow me. Now you're really gonna be scared. There's gonna be like thousands up here. Oh my! Hannah, help! I'm gonna die. I'm joking, I'm not going to die. I would never die to these bio. Hey, guess what I have to say to these people, these zombies? Say hello to my little friend. Say hello to my little friend. Oh, you want to say hello to my little friend? My other little friend? Say hello to my other little friend. Oh my! Oh, say hello to my little friend. Oh! They want to say hello to my little friend again? Say hello to my little friend. Pump the gas up, pain. Pump the Oh yes, I got my shotgun. Woohoo! I'm one-shotting them. Even an emerald. Even on a pro one-shot Safari. Oh my god, I almost one-shot a diamond. I one-shot a Safari. And boom! Can't hit him on the ground. How come is that? Alright, Anna, I'll go downstairs. You stay up here. Oh, you're one. Go. You take these zombies. Actually, you already have enough zombies. Oh, okay. Oh my god, I'm so close to level 150. Look at that, guys. Ooh, that's good. Should be. And go subscribe to my friend Hannah's channel, which will be in the comments down below, in the description, whatever you want. And yeah, make sure to go subscribe to her too. She'll be posting a lot of videos too, like I do. I usually post mostly every day, but every 2 days. She posts like the same way. If we don't post 2 days and we don't post the other day, we will post sooner or later. Oh, I thought I could do that. Oh, more 150. Woohoo! Alright. What gun do I have? Oh, I have that still. That's 160. Secondary. Ooh, what is that? 175? Alright. Zombie weapon. That. Alright, I'm gonna buy that top stuff. Are you need to do something? Alright. Do it. You'll be fine, I promise. What are you doing? Are you upgrading your gun or something? Alright, I'll protect you. Oh, we got more. Man, we got a lot coming up soon. Oh my god! Whoa. Oh yeah, guys, if you hear that in the background, that's my brother. He's yelling like a twit. Yeah, and he has a channel too. Make sure to go subscribe to that. That will be in the description. And also go subscribe to my other friend's channel, Jason YT. That will be soon too. And more channels to go subscribe to. Alright. Yes, I got my knife. Look at it, and it glows. Sick. Woo! Look, I'll probably one-shot a zombie. Let me go to a zombie that one-shot. How powerful is it? This is so easy. Oh, Hannah, we have to go upstairs. Ow! Don't get off of my Mr. Alright, we just have to wait for some more. Alright, Hannah, go downstairs and get some more zombies. I have to edit something. Alright. That's 200, and the more blocks sword is 175. Alright, primary 160. Alright. Nice job. Now we have a lot of zombies. This is so easy, like I'm killing them so fast. Oh my god, this gun, blue sword's so overpowered. Let's see how much damage I did to the diamonds. Oh my god, that does a lot of damage. Ooh, headshot. Boom, shot from that. Hannah, soon you're gonna be on level 100. Alright, I'm getting a lot of zombies. No, time time's up. Alright. So we didn't reach our goal. Alright guys, this will be it for this video. Like and subscribe. Yeah, we'll do part 2 right after this.